welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have my Stitch Fix for the month of February. And before I even begin, I would like to take one moment to say a special thank you to everyone who used my link last month, my $100 link. They were able to get a $100 credit off their first box, and I was able to get a $100 credit off for everyone who signed up. And thanks to all you guys signing up, I was able to hit my cap. For those of you who don't know, you can only get $599 per calendar year at Stitch Fix from referral credits. So I hit my cap. I have $599 to spend on Stitch Fix now, thanks to all you wonderful people out there. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is a monthly styling service. It costs $25 for a box that gets sent to you. You have a stylist put together 5 items for you. You receive them in the mail. You have 3 days to try everything on. But if you ever need more time, just click the extend the checkout date and they have that option available too. You only pay for what you keep. You send back the rest. Now, your $25 styling fee, anything you keep in the box gets subtracted off of that. And if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. Now, I have a link down below. Like I said, I'm capped out. I can't get any more money. But if you use my link, you will be able to get a $25 credit off your first box. So we are going to start with the first item out of the box, and that is these olive booties. How adorable are those? They have these cute little fringe details right here on the side. They zip up on the inside of the booty, and these are a size 8.5. Thank goodness. They've been sending me 8s and I do not know why. But these are from Violet and Red, and these are the Jetta suede booties in the color olive for $109. Yikes. That's a pretty high price tag. And I believe I already have some booties very similar to this color. So now the next item out is this, and this is a Daniel Rain top. And this is called the Allura detailed v-neck lace in the color red, which looks more like, I don't know, terracotta-ish to me in right now. And this is $58. So that's not a bad price for Daniel Rain. Usually he runs around $68 out of the box, and these are cut from the cloth. I really like those. Brody Skinny High Rise in the color indigo, because I asked for a really dark wash jean, and these are $88. But that's what you get when you get cut from the cloth. I was just looking for complete dark wash, almost looking black kind of jeans. All right, this is the next item out of the box, and this is the Demi two-fer knit dress in the color black for $54. Oh, that is a great price. And I love this black on top with the black and the cream florals. I really think that's pretty. Now, I've been looking for a dress to wear in case my daughter has her baby shower. We're calling it the maybe baby shower. Who knows which way it's going to go. But either way, I got to be prepared, right? And I already did find another dress that I really love. I haven't made that video yet. You guys keep an eye out. I'll show that to you when I get around to filming it. The last item out is this, and this is from Pink Clover, and this is the Penton 2-pocket cardigan in the color olive for $44. Now this is not bad. I think it kind of matches the booties. I will definitely have to pair those together. I see that as going as an outfit. Okay, so that's my 5 items. I will try everything on. I have 4 of the 5 pieces on in one outfit. So what we will do, we will start from the top and then work our way down. Now this was the Pink Clover cardigan, and this is in the color olive, and this was the cheapest item in the box for $44. So let's go over the details of this cardigan. Now, first off, as you can see, it is a flat front cardigan. There are no buttons or anything that's going to gather or add bulk, so I appreciate that about it. Right here in the front, it has one pocket. Well, it has pockets on both sides, I should say. And it does lay flat. It doesn't, you know, bulge out like some of the pockets are like really droopy. So I like that it lays flat like that. It has an opposing larger rib on the bottom, and right here it has a split hem. Now in the back, you can see it covers the bottom area pretty good. So overall, a lovely cardigan. I just don't know if I'm looking for an olive cardigan right now. Okay, so let's talk about the top underneath it. Now, this was the Daniel Rain top, and this was $58. And guys, I'm telling you, there are very few Daniel Rain tops that I don't like. I think I'm probably his biggest cheerleader out there. I always love his designs. I love the way they fit me. They flatter this area right here. They cover up, but it's not so bulky that it looks tent-like. And I love a good floral design. He does a lot of good floral designs. But as you can see right here, it does have a V-neck, which I truly appreciate. I think it's one of the best flattering necklines for me personally. It has this lovely, I'm gonna call it knit crochet. I don't know what the correct terminology is right here. So I think that's a lovely detail that comes down right here. It has some little gatherings right there, but not too much. On the side, that's the way it looks. It comes down at a pretty good length, I think. And that's the way it looks in the back. And I love a beautiful floral print. So this one's probably going to be a keeper. Okay, so I'm going to back on up and we're going to talk about these jeans. Now the jeans, these were, who were these? Cut from the cloth, and these were $88. Now, like I said in the unboxing portion, I was looking for dark wash jeans with no fading or anything. And these jeans do have the whiskering effect going on, and with light, it's a little bit light right here in the front. But I'll look at the video and decide. Now, I have the boots on, but before I get into the boots, I want to ask your opinion, because I'm always so unsure with this. For my body shape, like for some reason, I see a lot of people wear their jeans cuffed like this, and I think it's so cute, but I feel like I'm short, and I feel like in my mind, does this shorten my leg when I cuff it like that? Or does it look better like all the way straight and covering the boot? Let me know what you think looks better for my body type. Now these boots are super cute. They are very comfortable, but I have a pair, I will grab them in a minute, that are so similar to these. And for the price of $109, I'm just not gonna go there. Let me show you the ones I do have. This is the ones I have. As you can see, they are almost identical in color. I mean, the only thing different is the heel is not as high. But so for that reason, for $109, I'm not going to keep these. Okay, I have one more item left, and it's going to be the dress. So stay tuned. So let me show you this dress. This is the one that I said I wanted a floral design to wear for a baby shower, and this is what she sent me. And I think overall it is a lovely dress. But like I told you guys, I already ordered a dress, and so what I want to do on this portion of the video is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the dress that I ordered, and I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to have you guys pick your favorite dress and which one should I wear, because I was not expecting to like this as much as I did. But I am kind of liking it, but I was really sold on this one already, and I already own it. I already ripped the tags off. So, oh boy, I don't know. But also, before I put that on, I wanted to share with you about these shoes. I'm going to have to take them back. I bought these at Walmart, and they were only $21. Fabulous. They're on sale for half price right now. But I will try to show a close-up of these. They're too big. I ordered 8.5, and like I said, 8.5 is my size, but you can see there's some gapping behind my heels. but I'm walking in them and they're not moving. They don't feel like they're slipping off, maybe because of the front straps. But nonetheless, I'm going to send them back. But if I end up keeping this dress, I mean, these shoes match these flowers perfect, do they not? Tough decisions. Okay, let me put the other dress on and then you guys vote for your favorite. Okay guys, this is the dress that I already picked out. I've already purchased it. I've already ripped all the tags off of it. So I absolutely, of course, love it, but I wasn't expecting to like this one so much. So I'm definitely going to need your votes on this one. But this was the one that I purchased. It has 2 pockets right here. It has a lovely floral design. It has more that vintage look, and that's why I ended up purchasing these shoes, because I thought they had that very vintagey look. But as you guys are seeing this, do you think they also had these shoes in red and black? If I end up keeping this one, do you think I should go with red or black shoes and switch it out from these beige ones? I don't think the beige ones look bad with it. It does have beige in the flowers right here, so I'm not against it. But if you had to choose between beige, red, and black, what would you choose? What do you think would finish the overall effect? I really love this dress though. I fell so in love with it, so I'm really torn. I was not expecting to like this dress. And please let me show you the jewelry. I already bought jewelry for it too. Yeah. So this jewelry I got from Amber Meeks off my last friend mail from her. I will leave the video right up here if you guys are interested in seeing that video. I think this goes so great with this dress. And I bought this necklace right here off Amazon. And it has pressed flowers in it. And then here are the earrings. They are a set, and they also have pressed flowers in them. So I think this is a very vintagey, lovely dress. Like I said, I was 100% sure about this dress. But this dress right here is like making me think. I don't know if it was because the shoes, it went so well, but it was a good option. So if you guys were me, first question, which dress would you choose? And if you choose this one, would you switch out the shoes for a different color? Now, let's go ahead and do the wrap up of the Stitch Fix box. The jeans, I can say I'm sending back. They were nice, but they're not what I was exactly looking for. And for $88, I want them perfect. And this cardigan, I'm gonna go ahead and send this one back. It's nice, but it's not what I'm looking for. It's olive, more fall color, so that's probably going back. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this top. I really love my Daniel Rain tops, and of course I like this too. So it's not going to be a 5 for 5. I'm keeping this, and yeah, I don't know. Should I keep this even if I don't wear it to the baby shower? Maybe there'll be another one in the future that I could wear it to. I don't know. And it wasn't a bad price. Oh, what would you guys do if you were me? All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my confusion video. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you on my next Stitch Fix.